Hi guys, so for those of you who don't know, my name is Michael and I am the woodworker for MK Designs. And yes, I started this video the same way I always do, even though this video is primarily for people who are already subscribed. I'm hoping to pick up a few subscribers from it, but we'll see. I'm standing out in my shop, as most of you know, and I don't have anything set up. I've got everything put away. And you're probably wondering, well, why aren't you working right now? Because it's sunny and beautiful and all that. Well, yeah, it is for the next 2 hours. And you can see Pikes Peak over there. You see the clouds coming over the top of it, maybe. On the other side of those mountains, there's a storm heading this way. And yeah, we've got high wind warnings right now, and with my setup and whatnot, it's not going to work right now. So I am recording this video, and I'm going to record one other one, and I'm going to do some computer work and maybe design some stuff. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick update as to what's going on, and I've had a few people ask me about the project, so I wanted to touch base with you on that. I think I may have misled some of you. When I say it's a big project, I don't mean it's like a huge kind of thing. I mean it's big in the way that it's challenging me. It is having me build something that I've built before, but in a different way. And that's what I mean by big. And it is not going to be my next build video, just so you know. It is going to be in the videos. It is going to be coming along. It's probably going to be after Christmas at this rate, but we'll see. I may be able to get it done and get it out before then. But what I'm doing right now is I am actually building a mock-up of it, and I want to do that just to make sure I get all the dimensions right and everything, because I've actually had to take an older design and completely redesign it and add some things to it. I've had a couple people ask me about hints. Well, it's mission style, but it's different mission style. It's gonna, on the outside, it's gonna look mission style, but it's gonna have some features and things like that that aren't normally incorporated into mission style furniture. And it's for the bedroom. And I don't mean for the bedroom as in husband-wife bedroom. I mean, it's a piece of furniture for the bedroom. I am going to have plans on it. Once I have everything, all the dimensions marked down, I am going to have plans available for it for purchase. And I'm going to try and go all out on this one. This one is going to be a huge one for me because I am going to try and go all out. The customer that ordered it, they actually like challenging me. And so after I delivered the wine rack to them, which was a custom design, they asked me, well, can you do this for us with these specifications and with these features and with this? And I'm like, give me a few days. Let me see what I can come up with. So I sat down and I worked on Fusion 360 and I came up with a design. So that's all the hints I can give you at the moment. When the video, it's probably going to be a multi-part video series actually, but we'll see how it works out. Yeah, so that's pretty much all I can give you right now. I am more than willing to drop a few hints here and there. But yeah, I am going to have other build videos in the meantime. I have one right now that I'm trying to get finished up, and once I have it finished, then I will be putting it out. Kat and I actually are doing what we call a husband-wife project, and I think that's going to be a very special build for you guys. I think you guys will enjoy that one. And I have one other one that is, as of the moment, very top secret, and that one will become apparent why it's so highly top secret at the moment when it comes out. It involves more than just myself, and that's all I'm going to say about it. Yeah. So yeah, like I said, I just wanted to touch base with you guys and let you know what's going on and give you a little bit better idea of what I mean by a big project. again, it's big for me because, one, I am going to go all out on it. I'm going to have plans for it. I'm going to make sure it's right, and it could be a huge deal for the channel. I'm hoping it will be anyway. And I'm going to have the plans. I'm going to make sure everything's right, and it challenges me. It has me think outside the box. And it's something that I've noticed that there's maybe 1 or 2 videos out there on, but nothing as in-depth and comprehensive as what I'm going to be doing. And yeah, that's what I mean by a large project. It's not huge, not a big thing. It's 2 smaller things, actually. And so yeah, but that's it for now. Hopefully I'll have my next build video out within the next week or 2. I do have one more maintenance type video, not really. I'm making some modifications to my work table, and I'm introducing a new tool to my shop, and which some of you probably already know what that is. That's okay. And yeah, I've got a couple other build videos and some hopefully really big ones coming up. So, and again, big as in big to the channel. So until then, guys, happy creating.